Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's question is find area enclosed by parabola y square is equal to 8x and the line y is equal to 2x using integration. Now this y square is equal to 8x is standard parabola, means parabola with vertex 0 0 origin and opening to right. Let us draw rough diagram. Parabola y square is equal to 8x. And line y is equal to 2x. We have to find area between a parabola and line, means this area. Area of shaded portion, shaded region. Now to find area between two curves, formula is area enclosed between by two curves y1 and y2 is equal to integral a to b y1 minus y2 dx, and this is limit of x. Now to find limit we need to find points of intersection, and then we have to express these equations of curves y as a function of x, then we can find this area. Now let us find points of intersection. First equation is y square is equal to 8x, and second equation is y is equal to 2x. Now we can put value of y is equal to 2x here. Substitution method, that is y is 2x square of this is equal to 8x. Using these two equations, 2 square is 4, x square is equal to 8x. This can be written 4x square. Now if we take this term here, it will be minus 8x is equal to 0. Now we can take 4x as a common from these two terms. Now if we take 4x as a common, 4 and 1 of x is taken as a common, only one x will remain, and from 8 4 is taken common, means 2 will remain, is equal to 0. Now product of these two terms is 0, 4 cannot be 0, therefore either x is equal to 0 or x minus 2 is equal to 0. That is x is equal to 0 or x is equal to 2. This is limit of x. Now when x is 0, equation is y is equal to 2x, x is 0, 2 into 0 is 0, therefore y is equal to 0. Therefore first point of intersection is when x is 0, y is 0, 0, 0. When x is 2, y is equal to this 2 and x is 2. 2 into 2, 4. When x is 2, y is 4. These are two points of intersection. Points of intersection. This one 0, 0 and this point is 2, 4. That is value of x. Here x is equal to 2. Limit of x varies from x is equal to 0 to x is equal to 2. X coordinates are limits. Now let us express equations in y as a function of x form. Now first equation is y square is equal to 8x. If we take square root, y is equal to square root of 8 is 8 is 4 into 2, square root of 4 is 2 root 2, and root x means x raised to 1 upon 2. Let this be y1. And second equation is y is equal to 2x. Equation of line is y is equal to 2x. Let this be y2. Now area enclosed between two curves, formula is integral a to b y1 minus y2 dx is equal to integral limit of x varies from x is equal to 0 to x is equal to 2. y1 is 2 root 2 x raised to 1 upon 2 minus y2 is 2x dx is equal to this 2 root 2 is constant number x raised to 1 upon 2. Now this is in the form integral x raised to n dx is x raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1 plus c. Integral of x raised to n is x raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1. Here n is 1 upon 2, 1 upon 2 plus 1 is 3 by 2. That is x raised to 3 by 2 upon 3 by 2 minus 2 into integral of x. Again this is in the form x raised to n. Integral is x raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1. Here n is 1, 1 plus 1 is 2. Therefore x square by 2 and limit is from 0 to 2 is equal to 2 root 2 this term. Now this 3 by 2 is divided by multiplied by 2 by 3 x raised to 3 by 2. This 2 will get cancelled minus x square. Only x square will remain. Limit is from 0 to 2. This 2 into 2 is 4. This root 2 divided by 3 and upper limit is x is equal to 2. 2 raised to 3 by 2 minus x is 2 square minus lower limit x is 0, x is 0. This term will be 0. Now 2 raised to 3 by 2, that is 2 root 2, 4 root 2, and 3 raised to 2 by 2 is multiplied by 2 root 2 divided by 3 minus 2 square is 4 is equal to 2 into 4 is 8 and root 2 into root 2 is 2. 8 into 2 is 16 by 3 minus 4, that is 16 by 16 minus 12 by 3, that is 4 by 3 square units. Therefore, required area is 4 by 3 square units. This area is 4 by 3 square units. If you like this, then please like, share and subscribe and comment. Thank you.